friends, I am here to discuss a trick with which we can find the square root of non-perfect square numbers just in 5 to 10 seconds friends. Let's see the trick which is useful for you, and here we are going to get the approximate values of those non-perfect squares. Okay friends, let's see this. So I am taking an example that is root 28. Of course you know this is a non-perfect square number. Why? Because non-perfect squares always end with 2, 3, 7, 8 or odd number of zeros. Okay friends, let's see this and find out. So I am going to write this one as, what is the square number near to 28? Yeah, 25. And what is the extra? We have plus 3. And now you see friends what I am going to do. It's a trick. So 25 square root is 5. Next what I am going to do, as plus is the plus, 3 by, I am going to take the double of the square root what I got here. That is nothing but 5 into 2. Next step friends, 5 plus 3 by 10. You know 3 by 10 decimal form? 0.3. So nothing but 5.3, which is nothing but my approximate value friends. Of course if you calculate with your calculator, you will get 5.29 something friends. So this is what my approximate value. Okay friends, let's go with one more example. Using this trick, you can find approximate values just in seconds friends. So let me go with root 97. What is the square number near to 97? Nothing but 100. So what I must do here, minus 3 to get my original 97. So next friends, root 100 nothing but 10. Next minus 3 by, what I am going to do, take double of this 10 twos. So 10 minus 3 by 20. 3 by 20 just we will calculate by dividing it. Divide 3 with 20. As 3 is a smaller number, let's take point and put 0 here. 21s are 20. This is 10. As point is there, you can put a 0. 25s are 100. So what did I get? 10 minus 3 by 20 is nothing but 0.15. And if you subtract this in this way, see here friends. Subtracting it also I am showing here. So borrow from here, this is nothing but 0, 10, 9, this is 9 and this 10, 5, 8, 9.85 friends, 9.85 approximately. Okay friends, if you calculate with your calculator, you may get 9.84 something friends, which I rounded off and we got approximate value in this trick. Okay friends, let us go with one more example. So let's take root 629. So what is the square number near to this friends? Square root of 625, and what is we must add? We must add 4 since we must have 629. You already know what is square root of 625. That is nothing but 25 plus 4 by what to do friends? Take double of this, 25 into 2. So 25 plus 4 by how much friends this is? 50. Then going for calculation, cancellation, let us go with a simple trick friends. Change this into 100. How to change friends? Into 2 into 2. What do I get? 25 plus 8 by 100. So that in this way when I do, I can write this in decimal form directly. That is 25 plus 0.08. What is the value friends? I can write approximate. You can show in this way also friends. Curve is equal to, which is nothing but approximate. 25.08. Which is approximate. If you calculate with your calculator, you may get 25.07 something friends. So we must do in this way and using this trick to get our answers approximately. So why? Because friends, we may come across these square roots of non-perfect squares in many branches of mathematics. That is nothing but in the part of mensuration or in the part of geometry or wherever calculations are possible. We can do these just in seconds friends using this trick in many competitive exams. Okay friends, I think you understood this trick. So if you like this video, please subscribe and share friends. Thank you very much.